Roadmapper, Google Maps one trusted tester program is that it's not till now open for everyone, but few local guides. I think it's more than 100 people are now contributing in there in four listed country contribute adding roads. So today this is first episode I saw about this program details. So first page is that as like that million of kilometer of the world roads remain unmapped. So they are actually this program details. So first of all, one local guide's picture and map better, find out more details and why we add new roads, uh, etc etc. And this is our view the mission, why people are adding, why we add this road. So this is actually in the challenge part, and some local guides name and level is there. Important people can across the global with your contributions. So then we go to the about to challenge. Roadmapper, Google Maps one trusted testing program. So there we can add roads in four different countries. Their mission and vision to complete unmapped road in that country. Millions of kilometers of the world's roads remain unmapped. Use Roadmapper to add those roads directly to the map. So everyone, no matters where they are, can use Google Maps. So you live in where it doesn't matter, but if you have basic knowledge how you add a road and which one is road and which one is not road, then you can add. I think more than 100 mappers now access this program, so they can add roads. Let's go. We are other activities in this program. You can see this is the first picture of one Myanmar local guides build a better map for everyone. So find out more. So they are actually go to the in details about Myanmar, how many roads in completed, and there are some basic question about this country. So we back to the again about. So as like that, then how we start the mapping. So if you click then start mapping from actually show the challenge. The four countries available now: East Africa, Ethiopia, Southeast Asia, Myanmar, also called Burma, West Africa in Nigeria, uh, South American Venezuela. But we back again the about. So then we can see where we can add the locations in there and what is their view missions. So actually they are try to share everything about this four country in the challenge part. So if we click the Ethiopia, we can learn about the Ethiopia, um, about that how many road completed is not completed and roads condition, and which about one local guide interview is there, and how many population as like that. Not only this one, also similar in Myanmar there also one local guide interview is there, and last of that in the total population, etc etc. So we can check everything in there. So there also is little bit more information about Nigeria. Then back to the challenge, and last one is Venezuela. So let's go. We start then dashboard. They are actually in this page. You can see your dashboard, how many kilometer you already complete. I'm already complete 31,506 kilometer and complete 17,507 challenge. If every one task is called one challenge. And recent my mission Venezuela, I'm complete 3,177.9 kilometer and already added is actually last 30 days. It's 1 month summary, not approved 11 kilometer till now pending. So it's like Ethiopia, and every country they show there how many people, how many roads you already contribute and total contribution, and already added this last 1 month and pending and not approved. So there is actually a map that show how where you contributing. You can also zoom in that to more better clear understand which area you are mm, contributing, and it's actually become more red. And if we go to the Ethiopia, you can see where we contribute. More red is old, and yellow color is new added location in that country. And if you click that, it show how many kilometer you contribute in there and when. 7 days. So let's go the down part, your streaks. There actually I'm contributing how long they start. November uh, 14 is the first second day of Connect Live. So for I'm also better start the first day of that better testing first 30 people. So November 14 just complete 5 challenge, and till now I'm complete more 301 is maximum, and longest contribution is 198 days. That all information and edits review you can see in there. So most important is that how to add roads. There all direction is given, how to draw roads, how and which one activities, draw line, finishing line, delete line, everything is given guideline in there. And also shortcut key, which one you use for the completing easily that. If we back to the guideline, then identify roads, which one you draw, which one is not drawable, and everything is clear information. Before you start this contribution, you must read that acceptable road types in there given, not acceptable. And last one is how you draw verified. So there some basic information is there, so you can read, then you can start the contribution. Thanks for watching this video, and hope it's helped who contribute in there.